Unlocking cultural variations in idiomatic expressions. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an intriguing part of language learning, understanding idiomatic expressions. Specifically, we're exploring the exciting world of cultural variations in idiomatic expressions. Idiomatic expressions can add vibrancy and color to our speech, but they also carry profound cultural meanings that can vary widely across different societies. Let's set off on this linguistic adventure. Idiomatic expressions are phrases where the words together have a different meaning than their individual literal translations. For instance, if you've ever been told to break a leg, you'll know it means to do well or good luck, rather than actually suggesting physical harm. They're a staple in every language and can offer fascinating insights into a culture's history, values, and worldview. The intriguing part about idiomatic expressions is how they can differ based on cultural context. For example, in English, when we say, "kick the bucket," we are referring to someone dying. However, a direct translation of this phrase may lead to confusion in other languages. To navigate these cultural variations, it's essential to understand the underlying meanings and contexts from the culture that the idiomatic expressions originate from. This means delving into the societal norms, values, and shared experiences of the speakers of that language. To illustrate this, let's look at a few examples. In English, if someone is feeling blue, they're feeling sad. But in German, you would say someone has tomatoes on their eyes if they're not paying attention, which obviously carries a very different literal image. In Arabic, a common phrase is, "you have an eagle's eye," which means you are very observant. In English, a similar phrase might be, "hawk-eyed," but with the same idea of a bird of prey symbolizing keen vision. These examples show how idiomatic expressions can vary widely from culture to culture, often drawing on unique cultural symbols and ideas. Mastering these expressions in different languages requires more than rote learning. It requires cultural understanding. You must immerse yourself in the culture and context of the language you're learning. This can involve reading local literature, engaging with native speakers, watching films and TV shows from that culture, or even traveling to places where the language is spoken. Remember, practice is key. The more you engage with the language in its cultural context, the easier it will be to understand and use these idiomatic expressions appropriately. And that wraps up our deep dive into cultural variations in idiomatic expressions. The world of language is rich and diverse, and these expressions add color and flavor to our communications. I hope this video has helped you understand not only the importance of idiomatic expressions but also the cultural contexts that give them meaning. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and remember, language learning is not just about words and grammar, it's also about embracing the culture that goes along with it. Until next time, happy language learning!